Usambut Menteri Rangba Kejala Ubakmi Yakatanat Urban Affairs Uba Sniawbhalang Dhar. Ula perbena bakat tu kat diteli projek pynroi sar hasilong kila jandap artan balakmi lenti banyok ben pleno hadien ke snem mang tyngka. Kajing penteri kikam kalaya syakman baroh ki jaka ong uba Sniawbhalang habakran Syllad pthai kubor ha ke shipho trik rempang haba penpau halor kajinga syaprang jogi projek beper bat ki bala jandap artan. Menteri ulak dau baya ke projek shopping complex Hapolo lala ban pendap ya ke bala dap ru ban pli pat ba kat baya ke MTC ha kendailan lapan krek ban pli pat ba ha ubnai jemang ne jeliu ban wan. Nalor kata ulapan pauru baka jing penteri ya ke sekretariat ke batumai ru kadang ya syaprang bat lakmi lenti bagi kikat tu kat ni kijaka penyeng kali on yo ban pleno hadin ubnai leber. Ngatharai ha ubnai leber on sa pleno ya kikat tu kat ni teli kijaka penyeng kali ulaong.
I think let's see after the financial year it's in few projects we are here to inaugurate for the urban projects. The work is full swing everywhere. Major one like Polo is already ready and has been inaugurated already. And MTC Peace Bazaar maybe I think by May or June should be able to inaugurate it. And the other new projects is under progress like water from Vamra, all this and that, and the new sky. You know very well the Timor, all this is under progress. No parking, you know, recently CM has inaugurated one parking, multi-parking. So, and even the other space we are on the job. So, you are rightly said, I think maybe by after March will be numbers of parkings will be inaugurated. Now the work is in full progress. See, that is not unique with tourism. So I think maybe tourism minister is the right man to inform all this. It's not from urban.